Today's upcoming airdrop, we have Spintop. Spintop here, guys. You're gonna check out Spintop, guys. So Spintop is going to do in their giveaway. Market data is currently tracked. You won't check out audits. There's no audits, but the official website is here to make more research. Spintop.network. You can check out their Medium account too for more updates on them. But these are $100,000 airdrop pool. So it's going to start in 6 days as of recording. So you want to check out, but the links will be in the description box so you get access to it directly and participate. So once it's started, you'll be able to click on join this airdrop and participate on this airdrop. But meanwhile, you can push through with the steps. Each user will be getting up to 180 spin tokens. So they're giving out about 900,000 spin tokens. Airdrop is supposed to start by March 15th to March 30th. 5,000 winners are only needed. So Spintop's vision is to create a single platform that unites the scattered blockchain gaming world, designed as a dynamic gamified ecosystem where the community of players, investors, and game developers can discover, play, and invest in games, stake and trade their tokens, and share NFTs. Spintop has the tools you need to experience blockchain gaming to its fullest. As a celebrate our milestone, Spain Starter Launchpad update, we invite you to participate in our $100,000 airdrop simply by completing the task below. So you want to take note of this. Add Spintop to your CoinMarketCap Watchlist, follow them on Twitter, Telegram, Spintop announcements. You want to follow them there so you get notified. Follow their Discord and also subscribe to their YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel too, guys, so you get notified whenever we drop updates. And also follow them on Medium, tweet their Spintop's video on Twitter, and join Reddit and more. So you should know that winners will be selected on our official Twitter channel. So all both duplicate entries will be automatically disqualified. So guys, peace out. It's your bike. Stay tuned for more. See you in our future uploads and one love, guys.